Welcome to our channel, where we are all about healthy eating and fitness. In this video, we're going to share with you 5 recipes for healthy baking that are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while still maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking for breakfast ideas, snacks, or desserts, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Recipe number 1, Chocolate Avocado Brownies. For our first recipe, we're going to show you how to make delicious chocolate avocado brownies. These brownies are low in sugar and high in healthy fats, thanks to the avocado. They're also gluten-free, dairy-free, and grain-free. To make them, you'll need 2 ripe avocados, ½ cup of coconut sugar, ½ cup of almond flour, ½ cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ½ a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs. Simply blend all the ingredients together in a food processor, pour the mixture into a baking dish, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Recipe number 2, Banana Oat Muffins. For a healthy breakfast option, try these delicious banana oat muffins. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, and can be made with no added sugar. Here's what you'll need. 2 ripe bananas, 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 eggs, ½ cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl, pour the mixture into a muffin tin, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Recipe number 3, Sweet Potato Pie. Yes, you read that right. Sweet potato pie can be healthy too. This recipe is gluten-free, dairy-free, and refined sugar-free. Here's what you'll need. 2 sweet potatoes, ½ cup of coconut sugar, ½ cup of almond flour, ½ cup of coconut milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ½ a teaspoon of nutmeg, ½ a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Bake the sweet potatoes in the oven until they're soft, then blend all the ingredients together in a food processor. Pour the mixture into a pie dish and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Recipe number 4, Healthy Chocolate Chip Cookies. Who doesn't love chocolate chip cookies? This recipe is made with almond flour and coconut sugar, making them a healthy alternative to traditional cookies. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of almond flour, ½ cup of coconut sugar, ½ cup of coconut oil, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, ½ cup of chocolate chips. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl, form the dough into balls, and place them on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Recipe number 5, Blueberry Lemon Bars. Last but not least, we have these delicious blueberry lemon bars. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, and can be made with no added sugar. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 cups almond flour, ½ cup coconut oil, melted, 1/4 cup pure maple syrup, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, 2 teaspoons lemon zest, ½ teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup fresh blueberries. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper. 2. In a large bowl, combine the almond flour, melted coconut oil, maple syrup, lemon juice, lemon zest, baking powder, and salt. 2. Stir until well combined and a dough forms. 3. Press the dough into the prepared baking dish, using your fingers or a flat surface to create an even layer. 4. Sprinkle the fresh blueberries evenly over the top of the dough, pressing them down gently. 5. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the blueberries are bubbly. 6. Remove from the oven and let cool for 10 to 15 minutes in the pan. 7. Using the parchment paper, lift the bars out of the pan and place them on a wire rack to cool completely. 8. Once cool, slice into bars and serve. So, there you have it, 5 delicious and healthy baking recipes that are perfect for fitness enthusiasts. We hope you enjoy making these recipes as much as we do, and be sure to let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and tasty recipe ideas.